In the stillness of a farmhouse, a tiny mouse makes a chilling discovery. A dreadful contraption, a harbinger of doom, a mousetrap. With a heart pounding like a drum, the mouse scurries to alert his fellow creatures, beginning with the chicken. The chicken, however, brushes off the warning, declaring it's not her problem. Disheartened yet determined, the mouse turns to the pig, who offers only prayers but no tangible help. Finally, the mouse pleads to the cow, who coldly dismisses the plea with a flick of her tail. Left alone to face the mousetrap, the mouse is filled with dread, but life in the farmyard goes on, oblivious to the danger lurking in the shadows. Then, one night, a noise echoes through the farmhouse. The trap has sprung, but not on the mouse. Instead, it has ensnared a venomous snake. The farmer's wife, drawn by the sound, meets the fangs of the trapped snake. Her scream rips through the tranquil night, and the farm is thrown into chaos. The farmer, in an attempt to heal his ailing wife, turns to a remedy as old as time: chicken soup. But the venom is relentless. Her health declines rapidly. With his wife's condition deteriorating, the farmer seeks help from their neighbors. Despite their efforts, the venom proves too potent, and she passes away. The farm is plunged into mourning, and a funeral is held. The cow, once indifferent to the mouse's warning, is sacrificed to provide food for the mourners. The farm is forever changed. The mouse, once fearful of the mousetrap, is left to contemplate the unforeseen consequences of the indifference shown by his farmyard companions. In the end, the story that unfolds is not just about a mouse and a mousetrap. It's a poignant reminder of empathy, of how turning a blind eye can lead to unexpected repercussions. It underscores the importance of rallying together in times of need, for our actions or inactions ripple through the community, affecting us all. So, remember this tale not as a sequence of unfortunate events, but as a lesson in understanding and compassion, in recognizing that we are all interconnected, for a problem ignored today may become a calamity tomorrow. And in the end, every creature, no matter how small, has a role, a voice, and the power to make a difference.